Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today we're drawing Leon Kennedy, one of the most iconic characters from the Resident Evil universe, but in a tiny, adorable chibi style. If you're new here, don't forget to follow the channel and leave a like. It really helps the channel grow and reach more artists around the world. All right, grab your pencil, paper, get comfy, and let's start drawing. Let's start with the eyes. Draw two big chibi-style eyes, but keep their shape slightly sharp so Leon still looks serious and confident. Inside the eyes, draw large pupils with bright highlights to give them a lively anime-style shine. If any step feels tricky, remember that you can pause the video anytime to follow along at your own pace. Leon S. Kennedy first appeared in Resident Evil 2, released in 1998. In that game, Leon was a rookie police officer on his first day at the Raccoon City Police Department. Leon quickly became one of the most popular characters in the Resident Evil franchise. The character was created by Capcom, the Japanese video game company behind the Resident Evil series. Leon is known for his calm personality and heroic attitude during extremely dangerous situations. His famous handgun is called the Silver Ghost, which became a fan-favorite weapon. Now, draw a tiny, delicate nose right in the center of the face. Under the nose, add a small mouth with a slightly pouty shape to keep Leon's classic, grumpy but cool expression. Above the eyes, draw thick eyebrows. One eyebrow should be partially covered by his hair. Now, imagine a big circular shape around the face to build the chibi head, which should be much larger than the body. Add a small rounded ear on the side of the head, simple and soft in shape. Draw Leon's smooth hair framing the head, following the round shape. Leon later became a government agent working directly for the US government. One of his most beloved appearances is in Resident Evil 4, where he rescues the president's daughter. Resident Evil is considered one of the most influential survival horror franchises in gaming history. The series helped popularize zombie-themed horror in video games. Add the iconic, messy bangs with long, emo-style strands falling over his forehead. Leon has appeared in multiple animated Resident Evil movies as well. His hairstyle, especially the long side bangs, became iconic among fans. Leon is often portrayed as calm, sarcastic, and extremely skilled in combat. The Resident Evil franchise has sold over 150 million copies worldwide. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like it and share it with your friends. You can also check out our Chibi Characters playlist by clicking the card in the upper corner of the screen. There you'll find many characters from different franchises drawn in this adorable style. And tell me in the comments, which character would you like to see next? And in which style? Retro cartoon, modern cartoon, or chibi? Draw a very short and simple neck connecting the head to the body. Now, sketch the jacket that defines the upper body, giving Leon his recognizable Resident Evil outfit. Under the jacket, draw his shirt with a simple vertical opening at the collar. Shape the body like a small pear, wider at the bottom and narrower near the shoulders. Draw the left arm short and rounded, with the sleeve covering most of it. The hand is closed into a cute mitten-style glove. Leon is frequently paired with another famous character from the series, Ada Wong. Now draw the right arm, also covered by the sleeve, with the hand holding Leon's famous pistol, the Silver Ghost, in a simplified and less threatening Chibi version. The Resident Evil universe includes games, films, animated movies, and novels. Leon's design has evolved over the years, but always keeps his signature blonde hair and determined look. Draw 2 short and chubby legs to reinforce the chibi proportions. Many fans consider Leon one of the coolest protagonists in video game history. Even in a cute chibi version like this one, Leon's personality still shines through. Add the small tactical pocket on Leon's left leg. Draw his sturdy little boots. Now add a simple belt around his waist. For coloring, you can use light blonde hair, blue eyes, a brown jacket, dark pants, and black boots. But feel free to color your drawing however you like. And here's our Chibi Leon Kennedy, small, cute, but still ready to face any zombie outbreak. I hope you had fun and were inspired. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.